beach visit today. We came to visit the beach. It's been a long time, you know. It's sunny, it's raining, it's windy, it's cold. You know, we can't go to the beach. So we want to go to cinema. Our time is 3:20, so we decided to visit the beach. So we decided to visit the beach before our movie starts. Hey. Look at it's windy, they are playing.
I'm dead. Look at me, we don't have wheels. I'm holding fish. Oh, that many fish.
Oh my god, the water was coming to me, I had to run. Look. Our movie is 3:20. Nice. You're going to be free.
No, she thought it ended and then more came.
Oh, you thought it's not coming? You're going to be cold. I don't have anything to help you.
I'm fine. I can just take off my clothes in the cinema and wear my shoes.
Okay. But your shoes is going to be cold too.
They'll dry in the cinema.
Mama, trousers up. It's going to be cold. Mama, trousers up. Oh gosh. Yes, so we came to visit the beach. We live close to the beach, but we don't use the beach often. So as we are waiting for our movie to start at the cinema, and then we are here at the beach. It's even coming to me and I'm far away.
Please, Mommy.
I should move?
Mommy, move.
What do you want to do? Oh! Did you see that? That's in the water. There's water there. Listen to the sound of the sea. So calm, cool. It's coming. The sound of the sea is just so calm. So cool.